scheme. Black, white, green or blue, show off your natural hue. Flamingo, oh 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 oh, if you're multicolored that's cool too. You don't need to change, it's boring being the same. Flamingo, oh 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 oh, you're pretty either way. To cheer up, we went to the zoo and we found the flamingo pool. But while the flamingo snoozed, the keeper put pink dye in the food. When my companion saw it didn't really want to be pink anymore, those birds looked like ornaments lined up on a garden lawn.